We see our status as a 100% made in Italy company as both an added value and a responsibility. It means putting passion, care and professionalism into everything we do every day. We work as a team, observing the things around us and what is going on, as well as always searching for new signs from the market. Aware of new trends in fashion and design that we interpret and render our own thanks to our managerial and industrial excellence, offering the market collections of ceramics that are technologically state-of-the-art, attractive and in line with current trends. In recent years, we've seen a significant escalation in the appreciation of marble effect porcelain stoneware. We started out along the path in this segment in 2018 with the ROOM project, and the launch of the first 4 colours was an instant massive success. Later we added another 4 the following year, and the success of the ROOM became global. A new chapter for the ROOM is now opening up with the addition of 5 new marble inspirations with a sophisticated look, unusual graphics and audacious in the chromatic choices that will provide further prestige to the legacy of this incredible collection. What is the style that will take homes throughout the world by storm in 2021 and the coming years? The current emergency has led to an acceleration in the development of habits and behavior, sometimes even with extreme, highly adaptable solutions. Personal character and elegance become the guidelines for furnishing our home as best as possible. Individual style, which is one of the key trends in 2021, is based on personal taste and the ability to adapt interiors to suit one's needs, without following the diktat of a single style, but mixing the elements together to create homely environments that are full of personality without losing touch with practicality. This trend scenario includes must-haves like the use of quality marble. And it is part of this taste context, with an imprinting of uniqueness and elegance, that the Imola brand explores new applications, enriching the already well-known The ROOM collection with a new selection of quality marbles, characterized by a clearly visible expressive wealth in traits and colors, interpreted in a welcoming, modern language. For Imola, what is the way to select, study, develop and reproduce natural marble? We think outside the box and try to see beyond the standard outlines. We identify the tile and type of marble that we like, and we always try to interpret and improve on it so it becomes totally original and elegant. We select rare, unusual or extinct marbles, or types that cannot be reproduced the same as the original one because their graphic aspects do not make them suitable for flooring or cladding. The product needs to be emotional, sophisticated, timeless, captivating, a key player and source of inspiration with a significant graphic impact. In other words, the ROOM. In line with current trends, our aim is to create products that reflect the desires, expectations and tastes of a wide range of consumers. We are now adding another 5 completely new products to the 8 already existing ones in the range. Quartzite Patagonia is one of the most unusual and attractive stones that exists in nature. The structure comes from millions of years of seismic activity. As the magma rose to the surface and cooled, it crystallized and incorporated all the rocks and minerals it encountered on its path. This is why the Patagonia slabs have a strong variety of elements on the surface, creating an extraordinary uneven weave of shapes and colors with hints of white, beige, brown and black, alternating with other shades of grey quartz. Onyx Aqua Blue Gold, the onyx marble, is made up of sedimentary limestone colored by spring water and infiltration. Of Asiatic origin, it is a mineral characterized by its magnificent transparent effect on the surface and exists in various types. Aqua Blue Gold, also known as Blue Jade, is what we opted to reproduce on the ceramic surface. The sea blue color becomes the perfect backdrop for gold-colored veins, all enriched by an incredible transparency effect. Imola's aim was to reproduce the French look of this rock on this ceramic slab that makes its mark with its soft, shiny light grey background and fine veining and tone-on-tone shades. Brèche Dumas is the ideal solution for those who have no desire to forego the appeal of the marble effect and who are equally looking for a more minimalist, clean-cut look. Grey Roots, a particularly appealing marble originally from Anatolia, characterized by a bright silvery grey background colour and enriched by areas mixed together, ranging from white to grey shades. Ripples and cracks appear on the surface in warm shades of gold and cream that give it a pleasant contrasting effect against the grey background, giving the Grey Roots a sense of ancient regality and value. Onyx White Absolute. The white onyx is an extremely valuable variant extracted from mines found in ancient Persia. Imola's objective was to reproduce the purest and most refined version of this kind of marble on the tile surface. A super white surface with tone-on-tone veins, giving it an absolute monochromatic, powerful aspect and exceptional design elegance. All the products in the room are available with a 6.5mm thickness in 120 by 260 tiles with shiny polished surface, and in formats 120 by 120 and 60 by 120, both with shiny polished surface and natural surface. The animal print trend continues with the creation of 3 new decorations: jaguar, oryx and python, that respectively reflect a jaguar's coat, an unusual African antelope and a python. All of them in 120 by 260 tiles and in the 60 by 120 format. Summing up, if we were to describe the room in 2 words, I would use original and elegant. We are sure that the room is a strategic proposal for the Imola brand and an excellent sales opportunity. Thank you for your time.